What's going on, YouTube, man? We back with another POV, man. We're in the Chrysler 300s today, man. Yeah, I'm from a little POV. This might be a little longer POV, man. No bap. Because for one, I can't draw that fast. Because I can't draw that fast no more. I'm in motherfucking Chicago where it's motherfucking snowing and some more shit. Cold as fuck outside. It's like 18 degrees. So I ain't trying to hit no motherfucking black ice or nothing. It's been out. So I can't be driving that fast. And the distance we going today is a little bit far. So we gonna get into it. We gonna get active and we gonna have some fun, man. A motherfucking time. Oh, fuck. I'm tired of shit, but shit, it is what it is. I honestly don't even feel like going where I'm going, bro. But shit, I can get a POV out of it. It is what it is. How was everybody Thanksgiving, man? Everybody Thanksgiving was good, man. If you in school, you got less than 14 days down before Christmas break. So y'all gonna be, you feel me, straight and shit. It's the best time of the year, man. Ooh, shit. I might get pulled over right now. I ain't even gonna hold you. Oh, he went the other direction, gang. Bro, cop was just right there, bro. I'm going motherfucking 44. With camera out, bro. Oh, shit. I thought I done just got caught, boy. Man. I don't even have my police radar back on, bro. My fucking dad took it off my console and he drove my car. Talking about leaving that shit on there, somebody gonna break in your car. Cause motherfuckers been breaking in cars and shit out here, bro. Where I live at least. But somebody gonna wanna break into my car. It's not gonna be because I have a motherfucking police radar scanner on the motherfucking dash, bro. It's gonna be for a different reason. If you know, you know. But damn, bro. Motherfuckers been over OD got a motherfucking call. Just so y'all know, that shit probably gonna be in the title, man. So don't get pissed off when y'all see the guy pulled over in the title, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna use that shit, gang. No bap. We motherfucking 3 minutes in. And we still nowhere near the destination, bro. Damn, I just fucking put gas in. I'm almost at a half a tank, bro. That fucking driving I did yesterday. And this is a V6, bro. Fuck up, I'm going, bro. Ugh. Man, y'all hear that motherfucking V6 trying to growl and shit? If y'all got a V6, man, give me some motherfucking modifications performance-wise that I can do to this car, bro. Because I honestly have no idea what I can do performance-wise to this car. There's not a lot of shit you can do to a V6. And I'm trying to make this bitch sound louder. And it seems like my only option is to get a cold air intake with a custom exhaust. And a custom exhaust like damn near $600 and shit. And I don't know if I'm trying to spend that much on a V6, gang. Might just have to do a muffler to have my shit sound like motherfucking Blaney's, bro. No bap, bro. No bullshit. I've got to set this long ass light. I'm just gonna turn the camera back on when it's on green, bro. Alright, we back, man. About to get on the expressway, man. I might risk cutting up, not gonna lie. Cause it's 10:40. I gotta be at my motherfucking doctor's appointment at 11. With my therapy session at 11. So but let me know if y'all been fucking with the content lately, man. Have y'all been fucking with the Chrysler 300s? Do y'all miss the 5.7 OG in Chrysler, man? Let me know. Right now, me and Bunny was talking about possibly trying to get a project car. I don't know what that project car would be yet. I'm trying to figure that out. Trying to see if that's even in the budget. So give me some motherfucking project car ideas in the comment section down below. I would really appreciate it, man. Real shit. Might hit that right. So damn, why did this bitch look backed up? I'm gonna pick the camera back up when the light green, cause I'm gonna be sitting here for a minute, and I don't feel like editing. But like I said, man, I'm really trying to get a project car. A car that's like $3,000, $4,000. But that me and Bunny can just work on. Well, we gonna get the same shit type shit, but like just some shit that we could work on, so we can start learning how to do shit on the cars and shit, bro. No bullshit. I feel like that would be lit as hell, and it'll be some good, funny ass content, bro. No bullshit. So let me know in the comment section down below. What car y'all thinking? I don't really know what a good project car would be, bro. I was thinking maybe an Infiniti Q50 or something. Maybe a second gen Charger. What else? Camaro. Little 2010 motherfucking Camaro. What's that? That's the 5th gen version, I think. Shit, what else? Old ass Chrysler. Bunny talking about we should get some old ass Chryslers and do a motherfucking engine swap in that bitch. But I already have an old ass Chrysler that I'm getting rid of, so I don't know if I want to get another old ass Chrysler right away. If that bitch not black, I don't even want it. But we gonna see. I don't know why I sound stopped up while I'm talking to right now. I ain't gonna hold you. I thought I was over this motherfucking cold. But we finna see. I'm very tempted to get over to that left lane. Very tempted. But I ain't gonna do it. Yet, at least. Now I'm finna do it. I hit that little pull, bro. This bitch you want to get up, bro. And I ain't in sport mode right now. That's the motherfucking... Oh, that's a Mercedes. I thought that bitch was a Maserati. That's what I'm saying. The most unreliable car behind me and shit. The motherfucking Maserati be having a bunch of electronic issues and shit that you fucked. That shit OD. But man, the fact I'm on the expressway right now and I'm only driving 50 miles per hour is fucking insane. Y'all know what the fuck I usually be doing on this motherfucker. And that open ass, yeah, but I ain't gonna do it. I gotta turn left. I might do it. ain't gonna take me nowhere though, for real. Hell nah. God damn. My father, motherfucker. I'll see if I can get over to this left lane again. Well, a little bit in front. Oh yeah, we got it. I think. So I got up for y'all just a little bit, bro. Just a little bit. Somebody in my comment section said I was scared to drive a V6 or some shit. I don't think he watched the video. I don't know what the fuck he was on. Cause I was confused. Why the fuck he said that shit in my comment section on the video that he said it on? But it ain't nobody scared to drive V6. Like, y'all ass retarded, bro. I have a 5.7 Hemi, bro. First off, let's start there, bro. I have a 5.7 Hemi Chrysler 300, and I have the V6, bro. It's just common fucking sense. That's why y'all ass be in a bunch of accidents and shit. It's literally common sense not to drive fucking fast as fuck with a real drive car if it's fucking raining or snowing outside, you fucking dickhead ass. But I'm at another long ass light, so I'm gonna pause this bitch and restart it. This about to be like a 20-minute long POV, but fuck it. Alright, we is back, man. We damn near right at the doctor's office where I need to go. No bullshit, man. I gotta get over to my left lane again. Why the fuck is he driving with his motherfucking window open? It's cold as fuck outside, bro. I'm probably gonna use this light to get over to the left. No bad. No bullshit, man. Look at this motherfucking Chrysler, man. Look at this motherfucker. This is probably thumbnail right here. I gotta remember. For sure, thumbnail right here, bro. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just talking shit. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, y'all. We dead ass in front of the doctor's office. I gotta wait to turn left to get into that bitch. So, if y'all new to the channel, man, make sure like, comment, and subscribe. We is on the road to 1,000 subscribers before January 1st. I need y'all to tap the fuck in and go fucking ballistic, man. Fucking subscribe, bro. Tell your friends, tell your mamas, tell everybody to hit that motherfucking subscribe button. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.